back to a video, and today we're going to be playing some more FoRtCrAfT with Jayden, and there was a huge update, and we're going to look at this. So Jayden, start from the top. You are on Jayden's perspective today.
Do you want me to go and get more one so I can fly up to the top of the map thing?
No, you just look. So, Jayden, so you see the top right corner, those like bloody blocks and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start there. That is the forest with dungeon in it, and right next to that, behind the insane tower construction area, is the pool. Okay.
Mhm.
And we also have the forest. You see where I'm looking? Are you looking straight at it?
Yep. The leaves.
And then all the way down, we have the Risen Metal City. We have Lake and Underground Quadrant. And then all the way down to in the bottom corner, we have the farm, which has been added so much to. And then we have the Rose Garden.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, you want to go, bro? You want to go?
No, I was just pointing.
And then all the way in the top corner, we have the Desert City. You see that?
Yep.
And then we have under that the mansion and a mini garden. We also have the Swampland or Moisty Mire from Fortnite. And then we have the Alien Village up and the Hacker Tower. It's for the village, but who cares? So guys, I'm just gonna like click on FoRtCrAfT 1 so we both have full hunger when we start the game. You please subscribe to this channel for more awesome.
And also subscribe to my MuliversianGamer and like the video.
Yes.
We need support, people.
And I'm frying fish. Yes, take fish.
I had salmon for dinner tonight. I don't want salmon for a snack.
Just eat it.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Well, okay. I'm already at full hunger.
Come on. But remember, you're not allowed to use them when the game starts. That's just for before the game. So Jayden, I kind of have an advantage because you told me where he's landing. And
No,
Jayden,
might not be landing.
Jayden.
What?
Also, we have armor that we start with. So you have the tactical vest and the soldier stuff. Jayden can like do that, whatever. But because you know you find a helmet and that's the only thing that you can find here. Well, you start with all this stuff. I think in future updates, I should make you be able to find that around the map. Wouldn't that be awesome?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
so is your hunger at full? Get your minecart, and when you place it down, okay, so get your minecart.
Oh, I almost fell in that flipping hole.
Yeah, why is there a hole there? There's a hole there. Why is there a hole?
Okay, well, I'm off.
Oh, don't use your salmon anymore. I'm gonna put mine in the back of my inventory.
No, how do I get out?
Oh, where's he going? Wait, you pushed me backwards.
Oops, sorry.
For that, I know I'm looking at where you're going.
No, you can't do that, you cheater.
No! I'm sure.
Oh, yes, the nether rifle, that's my favorite. Yes.
Jayden's favorite is here. You know what? I hate this game. I'm just gonna go to where I want to land.
Gravity gun? What does that do? Do I shoot it and it makes things fly?
So you right click a block and you pick it up and then you right click again. It might be left click to shoot at me.
I have another gravity gun.
I have a scar.
Wait, I'm gonna practice with the gravity gun.
It's really hard to use.
Oh my goodness.
When you have a Grim Reaper, okay, you
Yeah.
can only shoot that once in a game.
Okay, I'm gonna put
twice.
salmon.
So you can only shoot that at me twice, and then you can't use it anymore. I made that rule because I put them everywhere.
The gravity gun is so amazing.
Yeah, but it's so terrible.
Wait, to get into the alien base, do you need to like land there to get into the, wait, no. Sorry, to get into the hacker thing?
Oh, no. There is under it, there's a little way to climb up, and then you have to break the redstone with your fist to. Oh yeah, I'm gonna kill you with this. What?
What? Oh, come on.
What'd you get?
Well, wait, shouldn't we get a pickaxe in the beginning of the game?
No, I just said that you could only break the redstone with your fist. I literally just.
Yeah, I know, but it should be like in real Fortnite.
No, because it's really good. So all of the place that I landed has 2 legendary.
Yes.
What did you get?
Yes, I might have just gotten a scar. A scar, huh?
Scar. That's what Jayden calls it.
A scar.
You didn't know, one thing you didn't know about Jayden, he calls it a scar hood instead of a scar H.
I might have just gotten a scar H.
And I might have already found like 5.
5?
Yeah.
Flipping 5?
Do you even know how to reload it?
No, I don't know how to reload it.
It's just hard.
Oh.
Well, I might have just gotten a sniper. A freaking sniper, a 3-hit freaking kill sniper. Freaking sniper, I'm gonna snipe you. I'm literally gonna snipe you right now.
Wait, where you put the jetpack again?
It's in like you go into your inventory, and then you.
Got it.
Oh, since I know you.
Whee! How do you know where I flipping am?
I don't know where you went. I said since I know where you landed, and I didn't say anything else. Oh, there you are.
The steam pack's not letting me fly.
Yes, I.
Oh, come on. Okay, you're going down, son. No. All right, where are you?
I'm not gonna let you know where I am. Do you have a sniper?
No, I don't think I do.
Oh dang it, I didn't.
Why can't I fly with the steam pack? Oh, I can only jump really high. What the flip?
What?
Why did I sit in the chair? I didn't want to sit in the chair. I wanted to get
You
the
in the
chest.
house.
Yeah, how do you get the chest?
There's nothing in the chest because I was lazy.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna like toss a block at you. Woo-yah! Did you see the block?
No.
Here, I'm just gonna like throw it in the air. Do you see it?
No.
Okay, don't come for me, okay? Please.
I don't even know where you are.
I just jumped accidentally. I don't want to jump. Oh! It's a giant man carrying a block. Oh gosh, do you know where I am?
No, I just shot that block randomly. Actually, yeah.
Oh my gosh, she knows where I am.
No, I don't.
Oh.
Do you see me looking around cluelessly?
No, I see you being sniped. I just sniped you.
Yeah, but you didn't do any damage.
Well, that's because I missed. But I'm still sniping you. Yes.
Eh.
I just missed you by a meter. See, I can't let you be shooting at me. See, what am I gonna use? I'm definitely gonna use. I have my shotgun right here. I don't know where you went. Where'd you go? Oh, I just dropped it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Found you.
No, I found you.
Get scarred.
I'm shotgunning you.
Why isn't my scar shooting?
Did you reload it?
Okay, I pushed R. What?
Killed you.
That's not flipping fair.
Oh wait, Jane, what's the timeout?
We're at 10 minutes.
Let's just do another one.
Okay,
We
yeah.
have to land right next to in. Oh wait, pause the video. But
We're on.
okay, we're back. Okay,
We're on air, people.
Okay, you can go. Oi. You're stopping.
Hey. I keep forgetting how to get out of the minecarts. No, you pushed me back, you stupid person.
That wasn't me.
Meow. Great, that's where I was gonna land, and I didn't land where I wanted to. Meow.
Wait, you have to land in the forest stream.
Why?
Because we have to land right next to each other, because we only have 5 minutes. Okay?
I've already landed.
Where are you?
I'm coming over to the sand place.
Okay.
Don't kill
Go to the
me.
forest, okay?
You're not
right next to it, you see the forest?
Yeah, but you're not allowed to kill me yet.
Well, no, I'll give you a little extra time. Oh, there's not even a legendary chest here. That's stupid.
I landed in the water.
I think there's a scar. No, don't come here. Go to the forest, boy.
I'm going to the forest.
That's not the forest. Jaden, you're not allowed. No, Jaden, come follow me. Follow me. So the forest is right there. You see the forest over there? Look, I'm going to shoot a block at the forest. You want to just pause the video while you're climbing over to the forest? I'm just going to hang around, okay?
Okay, so I unpaused the recording then.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm in the forest. We might not be able to complete this round because we only have 4 minutes. Okay? What the flip? There's nothing in here.
Okay, wait, are you ready?
I didn't have them.
The legendary chest is on top of the tree. So you'll have to break some stuff to get the scar. There's always a scar in a legendary chest, okay?
Okay.
That's a tip for this game, if you didn't know. No, that's a tip. I have my gravity gun is loaded. My gravity gun is loaded. And I'm ready. Jane, are you ready?
I don't have anything. But I guess so.
No, you have to have at least a scar.
Okay, wait. Is a gravity gun good enough?
No.
What about a stone gun?
You see the legendary chest? It's in a tree. I see it. I'm gonna shoot at it.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Did I aim good?
I didn't see you. No!
Did you fall?
I fell and we only have 2 more minutes.
Just pause the video while you get up to the tree.
Guys, I got the scar finally after like 12 years.
Do you even notice that I'm sniping you? I just sniped you twice.
Where are you? Oh, I see you.
Oh, frick! Abandoned ship! Oh, wait, you can't shoot that anymore.
Why?
Because that's the rule, you can only shoot it twice.
The RPG?
Yeah, whatever you're...
The Grim Reaper?
Yep.
Wait, the scar, it's okay.
But I can. Oh no, I missed completely. I was close though. Oh no.
Wait, I can't reload the scar.
What do you mean?
It won't reload.
Did you reload it last time?
I don't know.
Doesn't matter. Use something else.
Oh wait, hang on.
What? Wait, I'm hanging on. You're just giving me a chance to reload everything?
No, I was giving myself a chance to get back into survival mode.
Oh my gosh, you cheater!
I didn't realize I was still in creative. I completely forgot I was in creative mode.
Oh my gosh, Jaden is a cheater!
Oh god, okay.